passion is water jetting. We don't just say that, we live it every day. We come from a practical background and know what our customers need, what they expect, how they work. That's why our water jetting systems are successful in a wide range of sectors and areas, in industrial operations as well as in craft construction, for large and small projects. Environmentally friendly cleaning, paint stripping without chemicals, rust removal without abrasives. We have the perfect system for every application, and much more. Over 3 decades of experience with hot water and ultra-high pressure water jetting projects, and with over 50,000 customers worldwide. Falch water jetting systems accompany you throughout your life. Like a loyal partner you can rely on 100%. Our maintenance-friendly hot and cold water systems are well thought down to the smallest detail. They are driven by electric motors or combustion engines and have a pressure range between 100 and 3000 bar. This means you are equipped for any challenge. Each of our products is ready for continuous operation, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without interruption, all year round. You can't get more fail-safe than that. From the smallest nozzle to the patented robot, with Falch you will find over 800 accessories and certainly the perfect solution for your next project. We do not focus on the lowest price, but on the highest quality. That is why we only use the highest quality materials and components in our production in Blaubeuren. Stainless steel instead of plastic, renowned motors, and our pumps and components from our own development. All our appliances are manufactured exclusively in Germany. In our Innovation Center, a 40-person team develops and implements pioneering pumps, accessories, and robots in particular. Our goal is to make your work even more environmentally friendly, even safer, even better, even faster. To achieve this, we invest not only passion and energy, but also 13% of our annual turnover. All products undergo numerous tests and field trials before they are ready for series production. Join us in tackling the future of water jetting. With us, you get everything from one source. Whether you test a device live, rent it, or buy it, advice and service are priority for Falch. With us on site, on the project, or via hotline. Our qualified team takes care of all maintenance and repair work, quickly, reliably, and around the clock. We offer a 25-year spare parts availability and service guarantee, even on the smallest screw. And even better, you will receive all spare parts within 1 or 2 days. We have only done our job well when everything is running smoothly on your project. What challenge do you have for us?